My name is Ayush Rajput.
And I am Rajat Yadav. And you are watching Tram Cam Autopsy.
और आज हम पोस्टमार्टम करेंगे एक ऐसे मेडिकल प्रोफेशन फील्ड का
जिसे दंत चिकित्सा कहा जाता है.
He's talking about dentistry, guys. You people must be knowing about the variety of days that are celebrated across the world. Like
Valentine's Day,
Kiss Day,
Mother's Day,
Father's Day,
AIDS Day.
Sunday.
very few are aware of the fact that 6th of March is known worldwide as the Dentist Day.
Happy Dentist Day, guys.
Congratulations, all doctors. Oh, sorry, dentist.
Dentist is a doctor, engineer and artist. So we are actually three in one.
Dentists are different from doctors. We are super specialists and we are artists.
We are almost equal to doctors. We are doctors.
I think it is going to take ages for doctors to become dentists. So in a way this question is, I think, wrongly framed.
Definitely they are doctors too.
Doctors give reason to smile and we make them smile.
We focus first on smile, then onto the patient or person's personality or character.
We don't have as number of long hauls as doctors have. You know, they have emergencies, 24 hours, 48 hours. It's like 9 to 5 job.
Wednesday is gynae, so they actually have a feel of a doctor, but which we don't have.
The world of dentistry took a 360-degree turn with this mind-blowing discovery by a great man.
फिर मुसोड़े सूज जाते हैं, सुबह उठते ही खून आता है मुंह से. ये प्रॉब्लम होती है. अब इसका क्या इलाज? एक तो कपालभाति प्राणायाम. सीनियर टॉप मोस्ट डेंटिस्टों से बात की. मैंने कहा तुम्हारे पास में पायरिया का कोई इलाज है? तो सब बोलते हैं हमारे पास पायरिया का कोई इलाज नहीं है. मैंने कहा फिर आप डॉक्टर किस बात के हो?
A dentist brings a smile to everyone's face, but what brings happiness to a dentist? Let's check it out.
Money. Rokda. That is what matters.
Happiness to a dentist is seeing the perfect smile from the patient and listening to a thank you.
Point at which a patient, appreciates you, not because of the bugs you're taking from him. Naturally, nobody's going to appreciate you because of that, because dentists are taking huge amount nowadays, including me, naturally.
Lots and lots of implant cases.
During the treatment only when the patient says कि perfect हो गया, बस बहुत जल्दी हो गया, सोचे हुए टाइम से पहले हो गया.
एक गुजर की लड़की ने आके जब बोला मुझे ऐश्वर्या राय जैसी स्माइल चाहिए, अब कैसे दे बताओ?
When a complete denture patient doesn't come back after getting the denture insertion done.
अगर मैं कहूँ और वो मुस्कुरा दे, उनके लिए हम अपनी जिंदगानी लुटा दें.
क्या तुमने किसी से प्यार किया? क्या तुमने किसी को दिल दिया?
Now let's see how typical dentist proposals look like.
I would never propose in a dental language. I don't like that. My dental language is carried at home also.
Would you be the abutment on my implant? I think that will be a good thing.
If I am a hard acrylic liner in your life, then I want you to be a soft liner in my life.
I would like to keep your 32 intact for the rest of your life.
I would like to metastasize into your heart.
Golden proportion of your heart matches with the golden proportion of my heart. No comments.
Would you go on a long drive in a mobile dental unit?
Will you take care of my teeth? Lifetime. Every second.
Please implant me in your life and let's osseointegrate for lifetime.
आजा मेरी डेंटल चेयर पे बैठ जा. ये रात मुझे ले लेना.
Well, sweetie, get cemented to me.
Become a pulp of my life, which gets entangled to the dentine, so that no broach, no file, no rotary system can separate you.
Be my Facebook for the life so that we can articulate well.
So all said and done, dentists are the caretakers of our oral cavities. So keep calm and believe in dentistry.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Cut. Take 2, part 2.
नहीं मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ तू कह रहा है ना कि you are going to edit it. So once you'll ask a question, it takes some time to think and answer.
I had a beautiful 25-year-old woman walking on the OPD, and she's like, I said, okay, what do you want, dear? She's like, uncle, I want my scaling to be done. I said, scaling to be done, uncle. I was completely taken aback.
अगर हम कहें और तुम मुस्कुरा दो तुम्हारे नहीं I'll say that. नहीं वो तुम नहीं है वो
Take 2. Action भैया take 2 मेरे घर पे डाला.
It's the perspective of the dentist which needs to be changed, the thinking of the dentist which needs to be changed, and the perspective of the doctors needs to be changed.
100 में से 100 नंबर.
अगर मैं कहूँ और तुम
Thank you. Sir, thank you. Thank you.